Chapter 3. Multiplication. Properties of multiplication.
Let us revise properties of multiplication. Property number 1. The product of any number and 1 is the number itself. As for example, 1145 multiply 1 is equal to 1145. And similarly, 37,456 multiply by 1 is equal to 37,456. Property number 2. The product of any number and 0 is always 0. As for example, 2178 multiply by 0 is equal to 0. Similarly, 21,495 multiply by 0 is equal to 0. Property number 3. We can multiply two numbers in any order and the product remains the same. Example, 748 multiplied by 2 is equal to 1496 and 2 multiplied by 748 is equal to 1496. Property number 4. If more than two numbers are to be multiplied, they can be grouped in any order, but the product remains the same. As for example, in this method, first we will multiply 3 by 4 inside the brackets, which is equal to 12. Now, we will multiply 12 by 12, which is equal to 144. In the second case, 12 and 3 are inside the brackets, so we multiply 12 by 3, which is equal to 36. Now, we will multiply 36 by 4, which is equal to 144. Thus, the numbers can be grouped in any order, but the product remains the same. Property number 5. In a multiplication operation, the product can be equal to the numbers being multiplied or greater than, but it can never be smaller, except when one of the number is 0. As for example, 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. And 7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 35. Here, in both the cases, the product is greater than the number. But we have an exception, that is 0. 17 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied by 9 is equal to 0.
Remember, in multiplication, the number being multiplied is called the multiplicand, that is 14, and the number by which it is being multiplied is called multiplier, that is 3. The answer of the multiplication is called the product, that is 42. Multiplying by 10, 100 and 1000.
First we will multiply 3 by 10 is equal to 30. Then we will multiply 31 by 10 is equal to 310. Then we will multiply 274 by 10 is equal to 2740. Multiply 1416 by 10 is equal to 14160. When we multiply a number by 10, we write on 0 to the right of the product. Now, let's multiply the numbers by 100. First, 7 multiplied by 100 is equal to 700. Then 17 multiplied by 100 is equal to 1700. Now 112 multiplied by 100 is equal to 11,200. So, when we multiply a number by 100, we write 2 zeros to the right of the product. Here, 5 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 5000 and 17 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 17,000. So, when we multiply a number by 1000, we write 3 zeros to the right of the product.
Multiplying by multiples of 10, that is 20, 30, 300, 900, etc.
Let's observe the following. 30 can also be written as 3 tens. 7 multiplied 30 is equal to 7 multiplied by 3 tens. So we will get 21 tens or 210. Similarly, when we multiply 43 by 20, we can write 20 as 2 tens. Then multiply 43 by 2 tens is equal to 86 tens or 860. Thus, to multiply a number by 20, 30, 40 and so on up to 90, we multiply the given number by 2, 3, 4 and up to 9 and place 1 0 on the right of the product. Now again observe the following. Let's multiply 4 by 300, or we can write 4 multiplied by 300 is equal to 1200. Similarly, 47 multiplied by 200. Then we multiply 47 by 200 is equal to 9400. Thus, to multiply a number by 200, 300, 400 and so on up to 900, we multiply the given number by 2, 3, 4 and up to 9 and place 2 zeros on the right of the product. Similarly, we will multiply numbers with thousands. Let's multiply 2 by 3000, or we can write 2 multiplied by 3000 is equal to 6000. Another example is 12 multiplied by 2000, or we can write 12 multiplied by 2000 is equal to 24,000. Thus, to multiply a number by 2000, 3000 up to 9000, we multiply the given number by 2, 3 and so on up to 9 and place 3 zeros on the right of the product.
Multiplication of number by a 2-digit number.
Tomorrow is my birthday. I will distribute toffee packets to all my friends. Total 43 friends are coming on my birthday. The price of toffee packet is 12 rupees. So I will multiply 43 by 12. First, we will multiply 2 by 3, which is equal to 6. Then we will multiply 2 by 4, which is equal to 8. Then we will write 0 below 6, because now we are going to multiply 1 by 43. 1 is on tens place. So 1 multiplied by 43 is equal to 43. Now we will add 86 and 430, which is equal to 516. Thus, the total amount is 516 rupee.
Multiplication of a number by 3-digit number. Now we will multiply 35 by 123. We can write 123 as 100 plus 20 plus 3. First, we will multiply 3 by 5, which is equal to 15. We will write 5 on ones place and write 1 as carry forward on tens place. Then we will multiply 3 by 3, which is equal to 9. Now we will add 9 and 1 carry forward, which is equal to 10. We will write 0 below 5. Now we will multiply 2 by 5, which is equal to 10. We will write 0 on tens place and carry forward 1 to 100 place. Then we multiply 2 by 3, which is equal to 6 plus 1 carry forward is equal to 7. Now we will write 0 on ones place and another 0 on tens place. Then we will multiply 1 by 5, which is equal to 5. 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3. Now we will add 105, 700 and 3500, which is equal to 4305. multiplication of numbers having zeros in between.
Let's multiply 972 by 102. Since there is no digit at the tens place in the multiplier, we first multiply by 2 and then straight by 100. Thus, 972 multiplied by 2 is equal to 1944. Then we will multiply 972 by 100, which is equal to 97,200. Now, add 1944 and 97,200, which is equal to 99,144. There is also another method of working the same sum. We can multiply the number by hundreds first and then later by ones. The product will be the same. For example, first we will multiply 972 by 100, which is equal to 97,200. Then we will multiply 972 by 2, which is equal to 1944. Now add 97,200 and 1944, which is equal to 99,144.
Hooray! Let's do lab activity.
Today we will learn multiplication tables of 2. Our learning objective is to visualize and understand multiplication tables. Materials required is a sheet of paper, pencil, scale, and bindis. Step 1. Draw 2 vertical lines as shown here. Step 2. Now draw a horizontal line intersecting the 2 vertical lines and paste bindis at the intersection representing 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. Step 3. Again draw 2 vertical lines. Now draw 2 horizontal lines intersecting 2 vertical lines and paste bindis at the 4 point of intersection. These points represent 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Step 4. Repeat the above steps drawing 2 vertical lines and 3 horizontal lines intersecting at 6 points. These points represent 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. Step 5. Repeat the above steps with 4 horizontal lines intersecting the 2 vertical lines to represent 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8 as shown here. Step 6. Continue the activity increasing the number of horizontal lines one by one up to 10 and complete the multiplication table.
Now repeat the activity in your classroom.